Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to actually write a book with ChatGPT on your phone. With a proper outline and full chapters you can paste straight into a document. It works the same for a novel, a self-help ebook, or a long script. So let's get straight into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar and type in ChatGPT. Now tap the app to open it, and give it a second to load. Then tap the message box at the bottom, where it says Ask ChatGPT. Your first message is the outline, and it needs 4 things: who ChatGPT is, your title, what kind of book it is, and exactly what you want back. So I'm typing, act as a best-selling author. I want to write a book called The Quiet Hour, a self-help book about waking up early. Give me a chapter-by-chapter outline with 10 chapters and 1 line describing each chapter. Now tap the send arrow on the right. Now give it a moment, because it's writing the whole structure at once, and this is the part everybody skips. Most people open ChatGPT and type "write me a book," and they get 4 generic paragraphs, because there is nothing for it to follow. The outline is what makes the chapters good. And there it is, 10 chapters, each with a 1-line summary, building from the cost of hitting snooze, through why you do not need more discipline, to winning the night before. Scroll through it, and if a chapter is wrong, just say so, and it will rewrite that line. Now you write it 1 chapter at a time. Tap the message box again and ask for a single chapter with a length and a voice. I'm typing, now write chapter 1 in full, around 800 words, in a warm conversational voice, and keep the same style for every chapter. Now tap send. That word count matters, because without it you get a summary instead of a chapter. Give it a minute, because it is writing 800 words, and it writes the whole thing straight into the chat. Scroll down, and you have got a real chapter, with proper paragraphs, in the voice you asked for, not a summary. Now here is the bit most people miss. Underneath the reply there is a row of small icons, and the first one on the left is copy. Tap copy, and the entire chapter is on your clipboard, ready to paste into Google Docs or any notes app. Then you just ask for chapter 2. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT and make your first message the outline. Act as a best-selling author, your title, what kind of book it is, and ask for a chapter-by-chapter outline. Then ask for 1 chapter at a time, and always give it a word count and a voice, or you will get a summary instead. When the chapter lands, scroll to the bottom and tap Copy to move it into your own document. And here is the one that really matters. Stay in the same chat for every chapter, because that is how it remembers your outline and keeps the voice identical the whole way through. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.